So a question we get a lot is, what are our best flooring options? And my response to that is, what is it that you're using the space for? Is it your personal home you want to feel soft to walk on? Or is it a rental property and you need it to be low maintenance? So those are a couple of questions that we definitely need to ask up front. But I think our best options, especially in Florida, are gonna be tile or engineered wood if you want that softer feel when you're walking on it. Another great option is going to be luxury vinyl plank. You can get a lot of these options that look like real wood, and they've got a really good pattern selection to them too, so that they're not repeating the pattern too quickly. So between those three options, I think those are going to be our best in a Florida setting. Now, rental property, tile is definitely the way to go. You can open the door and just blow everything outside and not have to worry about cleaning it. So I think, doing tile, luxury vinyl, or engineered wood are definitely your three best options for flooring in Florida.